What up, y'all? It's your boy K back with another video. As you can see, I got the hat on because it's low-key bipolar out here. It's sunny, but it's snowing at the same time. But anyway, we got the bike right here. About to go ahead and wash it and get rid of these scratches, man. So here's the bike. Here's the buckets. As you know, the 2-bucket method. But as you can see if you can see these scratches. Yeah, scratches. You see them. And plus, just overall, the bike is dirty. So let's go ahead and get this boy cleaned up. Alright, so I got my homeboy here. He recording. I mean, he watching it while I record this. His junk so bipolar. Man, he gotta hit that paint 2-3 times, man, before he hit that frame. This junk so damn. It ain't even light. Man, there you go.
Yeah, it's light over there.
There you go. Now you can see. There we go. You see the stain in the back. Alright, so we got my boy Kashar here. He go clean the bike while I record because the wind is not messing with us. It's knocking over the camera, so. Y'all really thought I was lying. Y'all see that snow? Look, you see it. All right, y'all, so first step, here are the tools you need. I got this 3M kit, not sponsored, of course, but I got this 3M kit. It's a scratch remover kit. It works really good, so this is the one I got. Gonna need a drill for sure, and your bike and the scratches. So, oh, and some water. So let's get into it. All right, so this is the first one we go try to get down. You can see what it looks like, man. It's pretty bad. So let's go ahead and start this process. First thing you do, wet it up. Get some water. Kind of wet it. If you got the same pack or kit that I got, it comes with a little sander. So while it's wet, just go ahead and sand it down. Left and right and up and down is fine. Sand it, wipe it down, inspect it, and then sand it again. And then you just repeat until the scratches is gone.
Definitely a wipe. You see that change right there, boy.
You get me? All right, so what we doing next? Take your purple pad and you put it onto your drill. It's Velcro on the back, so it'll connect easy. Just go ahead and just slap it on there. Then what you do, you take the rubbing compound, just put like quarter size, good quarter size like that. You wanna take it, quarter size like that. The compound on the pad, you just, before you even start it, you put it on there and just rub it in the area that you're about to get ready to perform work on. So you go ahead and rub it in that whole area. This is before you even cut the drill on. Got it? All right, then when you do that, just go ahead and drill. Don't go crazy. Just start off light, you feel me? You ain't got to press hard on it either. Just let the drill do the work. All right, so after you get done buffing it, just go ahead and wipe it. See how that's coming out? I know y'all was worried about it being dull, but that's just a part of the process. See how that's white? You wipe it down. All right, so just a quick comparison. See this part? Super shiny and buttery. See how this is? Just dull, just regular paint, just dull. This is the whole side of the tank that I didn't do. Just this small area is the area that's completed. All right, you guys, so after that part is done, then you go ahead and grab your polisher. Then you switch to make sure you switch to the black pad. This is very important. Switch to the black pad. Take the other one off, put the black one on, and you put the polisher product on there. It's the same dime size. I always use a quarter size and then just repeat the process. You take it to the area that you're working on, and before you even start the drill, you rub it in the area that you're gonna work on. So just rub it all in. All right, so once you start the drill, remember, always start off on a slow speed. Then you build your way up. Don't put too much pressure on it. Let the drill do the work. All right, so once you get done buffing it, let's go ahead and wipe. Woo! Once you get done buffing it out, go ahead and wipe it down. As you can see, I got excited, man. So look at it, man. Just look at this boy buffed up, dude.
My bad, Jaw.
Look at that joint buffed up, man. Come on, man. Compared to the original, this is the outcome. I sanded it down, put the sanding compound on it, then put the buff polisher on there at the end. It looked good. Now, it is certain scratches that were just too deep for this product to remove. But at the end of the day, I'm satisfied. This look way better than what it did.
That look good as hell.
Damn, that bitch shining on there, boy. All right, so as you can see, just that very small area, maybe like this big, a fist size. Night and day difference, man. Night and day difference. So what I'm about to do, go ahead, I'm about to do the whole bike. There's a whole lot of scratches on this bike that has to get, you know, I'm tired of it. Don't mind the tape, I'm taking that off. But just a whole lot of scratches on the body. So I'm about to go ahead and butter and palm this whole thing. By the time I get done, it's gonna be looking like the area that we already did. So with that being said, y'all enjoy some of this B-roll. All right, so what I did, as you can see, I took the material, put it on a pad, and just patted it everywhere. I'm about to let the product do its job. This is step 2, before the polishing. All right, you guys, so now step 2 is complete. We on step 3, which is the final step. Make sure you change your pad. Again, I'm gonna keep telling you, make sure you change your pad to the black pad and you put the polisher on here. So go ahead, take the polisher, put like a quarter size or more, just a quarter size or more, and repeat the process. So you just put it on there, dap it all over the area that you go work on, and then you start up the machine.
Boy, you see that shit? You see how to zoom in on it?
So here's the finished product. I'm done. I did the whole bike. So hopefully you enjoy it. You can most definitely see before and after. Check it out. Y'all thought I was lying, but it's really snowing. Ooh, this boy dancing though. Man, shut up. Dude, this boy dancing, boy. The sun ain't even out right now. It's really like super cloudy. Look at that. You can see me in the tank talking to you. Come on now. Stop playing with me, man. Look at that grill. I ain't even put all the parts on there yet. Man, this boy dancing. Ooh. Alright, you guys, man. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, man. It's gonna help my channel. It's gonna help the video grow. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'm getting snowed on. But anyway, subscribe to the channel. Most definitely stay tuned for the next video.